again, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I know it has been a while since I have posted anything on this channel, but to be honest, there's no major excuse. I've just not been really motivated with my hair or with much in terms of posting lately, so only the best for you guys. So I made sure that I needed to be in a creative and productive mode before I posted anything. So elephant in the room, my hair. So from the previous video, the last video I think I posted, I shared with you guys that I cut my hair into a tapered cut. So as you can see, the back is a lot shorter and the front is a lot longer, so whole tapered cut situation. Alright, so I cut my hair in a tapered cut for my birthday, which was November the 30th 2018, last year. Now it's January, I think it's January 8th when I'm filming this, right? So it's a new year and I cut my hair about 2 months ago, and then I was contemplating, should I color my hair, should I just leave it black or whatever. But I was so bored with my hair that I said, you know what, I definitely need to do something else. So I decided to color my hair. So you guys can see that the color is way vibrant, right? So obviously this is not just a regular color. I had to bleach my ends because it's just the ends. I had to bleach my ends first and then I had to color, and you guys will see as we go on the color that I used. And I have like a little collage of pictures from the salon when I colored my hair. Now I couldn't get to tape in this salon, but I did get to take some pictures throughout the process. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my new hair color, and I even cut my hair a bit more than I did the first time. Yeah, so when you guys see me posting pictures and talking about color, you guys want to be like, okay, and she ain't tell us nothing, right? So yeah, I really love the color. I hope you guys do too. I think it's something different. I mean, I wanted something a bit different and something, unique. So I found it, and I'm so glad that I cut my hair, number one, because it is so much easier to manage, and I'm so glad that I colored my hair. So I know you guys would want to know, like, did my hair texture change when I colored it? Did my hair get drier? What's the changes, right? So we're going to talk about that in a sec. Yeah, so hair color, the color I use is crimson, I think, because I really wanted something red and popping, right? So I don't know if it's because of the texture of my hair or because of the natural color of my hair. It didn't come out like super red. It has this kind of orangish tint that you can see, but I really love that because that's actually what I wanted, like a kind of reddish orangish tint, and it came out perfectly. You guys can probably see a bit of white residue in my hair. That's because I just finished doing a wash and go on my hair. Now guys, my wash and goes are like 5 minutes now, and wash day takes me about 10 minutes, to be honest. Detangling is a breeze. I haven't experienced much difference in terms of breakage because my hair never really used to break in the first place, and I have zero to little breakage. Shedding is not much different. Hardly have shedding besides what it normally sheds from your head, sorry. What else? My texture did not change. You guys can see my texture did not change. Actually, I feel like my curls are even more vibrant than they were. Is that strange? I don't know. But my curls, I feel personally that my curls are a bit more vibrant than they were before. My hair is even easier to manage, and that's because my hair is shorter, obviously. Wash day, yeah, it takes a lot less time and styling and everything. So this may not be the experience for a lot of people, but I think personally that my experience with the color so far, it's been about 3 weeks, so my experience with the color so far, it has been an easy one because I normally take relatively good care of my hair, and I already made up my mind even before I colored my hair that you have to keep on taking care of your hair, because now it's colored, it's going to be even weaker, especially the ends, and it's only the ends that are colored, right? So I made that a mission. I bought a protein treatment for my hair, or a hair mayonnaise for my hair, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. So I bought a hair mayonnaise for my hair, and that's probably the only additional product that I use, because I know that using the hair mayonnaise would increase my hair's strength, and I definitely would need hair strength because now it's colored. Mayonnaise that I bought was the ORS hair mayonnaise, and this is actually a new look. It's supposed to be the same formula. When I was relaxed, I used to use this a lot as a deep treatment mask, so I just decided, you know what, I'm going to deep treatment I have been using since I've colored my hair, and it's great. I have, and it's just about, it's not even half, I have probably used about a quarter of it. So it's 16 ounces. It's a nice big tub. It is not expensive, and it's been working great. So like I said, I only added this in my regimen because I knew that my hair would have needed a bit more strengthening help. So ORS hair mayonnaise products: Daily Defense Keratin shampoo and conditioner from a very sweet friend of mine for my birthday, because I actually just had a wash day and I used them today. And the shampoo I really like. I'm still I still don't really know about how I feel about the conditioner, but the shampoo I really like I said, it's keratin, or it's claims it's keratin infused, so I'm hoping that that does something for my hair. So as you can see, there's a little theme going on in terms of, now that I'm colored, I'm trying to get more moisture and protein in my hair. I'm trying to never miss a deep conditioner or deep conditioning period. Trying to keep my moisturizing on par, because definitely moisturizing is where I always fall down, because I'm lazy when it comes to my hair. So I always fall down or fall short when it comes to moisturizing. Definitely must say the hair dye that I bought is, I think I bought a semi-permanent one. I guess that's why it doesn't last as long. But I touched up my hair actually today before I washed it, because I had some remaining dye left, and that's why it's this bright. It actually washed out about a week and a half or so after I did the dye, and it was like a lighter orangish color. It wasn't as bright as this, and you guys will get to see my hair super short. You guys would get to see styles of my hair super short to medium back to the length it was, and even further. I do a video on finger coils coming up, because finger coils and wash and goes has been the two styles I've been doing a lot since I have cut my hair. That you guys would appreciate a video of how to do finger coils. I'm not going to do a new wash and go routine, because it's the same thing, the same product, everything I use, so it's not going to be any different. Thinking about filming a wash day, so you guys will tell me if you want to see a wash day. But finger coil video is definitely coming soon. I'm hoping to get it up either the end of this week when you guys are seeing this video, or the end of the next week or something like that. So yeah, I think that is it. Like I said, my hair didn't change much besides the color and the length. It didn't change much. I was really scared in the beginning to dye my hair, because I've seen and heard a lot of people say, oh, dyeing changes your texture, the hair is going to be limp and weak and blah blah blah, and I have not experienced that as yet. Cross fingers that I thank you guys for watching, and I really do hope that you enjoyed this video of me updating you on my hair and what's to come for this new year 2019, and more hair video, especially on color, especially on shorter hair, because I know a lot of you guys that watch my videos are now starting a natural hair journey, that I have shorter hair and would have even shorter hair in the future when I clip these ends off. You guys can go along with me, and I'm sure that I can help you guys even more. So thank you again for watching. I am so happy that you guys subscribed and continue watching my videos and give me more views. And don't forget, if you're watching this video right now and you are not subscribed, you have not liked, you have not clicked that notification bell, please do so. I love you for watching. Bye.